So here we're going to multiply and divide algebraic fractions. They're just like numerical. And so let's start off with number 2. So what I usually do is I factor what I can, okay? And so I'm looking p minus 2, that's the linear factor, you can't break that down anymore. P minus 10 is linear factor, you can't break that down anymore. 3 is outside, so you can mess with the 3. 4, p, you could break that into 2 times 2, p, right? And then here, 3, p minus 2. And so when it's multiplication, I guess it's kind of lazy. I usually just make it one big fraction, okay? And when I do, I put parentheses around terms that were together, okay? So, I mean, technically you should rewrite all that again as one fraction. But what common factors do I have? P minus 2, a 3. Can I cancel this p with this p? No, because p minus 10 are joined together through subtraction. So that's all I could cancel, that's all I could eliminate. So I'm left with p minus 10 over 4p. Okay? I'm sorry, what? That is the answer. Number 3, pay attention, that's division, correct? So division, we keep the left fraction the same. And we invert that fraction, the reciprocal. So it's going to be x minus 1, x minus 3, all over 10, x minus 1. And notice, by doing that, I changed from division to multiplication. And like I said before, usually, now you're supposed to rewrite this all again. I usually just make it one big fraction, right? And when I do that, anything that was together with pluses or minuses, I put parentheses to remind myself that they were together, okay? So that they don't accidentally get mixed in. So what are the common divisors to cancel? X minus 3, what else? X minus 1. Can I reduce 8 over 10? Nope, because x and 8 are together, right? So I get x plus 8 over 10. Now that is simplified. Some people, and this is just a side note, they like to do this on the AccuPlacer, because you could simplify x plus 8 over 10. And they do this on the AccuPlacer quite a bit, but for my class, leave it like this. So couldn't you write this as x over 10 plus 8 over 10? Doesn't this combine with that? And then 8 over 10 reduces to 4/5. Okay? And so you may see them write the answer like that on the AccuPlacer, and I don't want you to get confused. But for this class, just leave it like that, okay? All right. Number 6. It's already multiplication. Like I said, I usually just make it one big fraction, okay? Now, everything is already factored. So what can I eliminate? I'm sorry, what? Yes. Oh, is that the answer? 6 over 2r? Well, let's see. So I could eliminate what? 7? R plus 7? Okay, I agree with you. What else? The 10s? So can I separate 2 and r? I can. Yeah, I can. It's multiplication. They're not together. It's not addition or subtraction. So can't I do 6 over 2, which is 3? Because think about it. 6 is 3 times 2, right? And so couldn't you also cancel out the 2? So you're left with 3 over r. Okay? Yeah, so pay attention. If it's plus or minus, then you can't just do what I just did. But if it's multiplication, you can. So 1 through 6 is already all factored for you. I want you to try 1, 4, and 5 yourself. When you're finished, you should get those answers.